Hi guys, how's it going? It's Techman Ivan. Today I want to teach you how to install ambient lighting system in your Tesla Model S and Model X. And it's my very first video made with English voiceover, and obviously I'm not a native speaker, so don't judge my grammar and pronunciation. So it's the LED wire I got from Amazon. The other car of mine is the BMW 5 Series, and it has a really fancy ambient lighting system that allows you to switch between a couple of different color options. And this is Tesla Model S. You are very familiar with the interior and very familiar with how dark it is when you are driving at night, super dark inside. So when you get your USB wire, making sure that you got the USB version, so it's so much easier that you can just plug it in and it lights up. Let's take a look how it looks like. So I got the ice blue version of the LED wire, which I will also include a link in the description. Let's do this. So from the right to the left, all you need to do is to tuck it in. And please remember, when you get the wire on Amazon, make sure you get the flat one so you can tuck it into the gaps. And here on the left hand side of your dash, you might need some tool to kind of peel it off. So it's not that difficult. You can take it off and put it back quite easily. And after that, all you need to do is to hide your wire inside of it. And there's a place underneath that allows your wire to come out. So you can do that. And after that, you have different routes, you have different choices. But the thing is, you want to keep it clean, you want to keep it organized so you don't see anything, when you're driving and when you open the door. You can actually put the wire, including the adapter, under your seat and all the way to the center console, so it has power. And if you want, you can actually light up your rear seats as well. All you need to do is to buy another 2 sets of wires. And this is how it looks like when you do, both the seats and the front. Now you have the ambient lights installed in your Tesla Model S, and the total cost is less than $30. It's very simple. It only takes you 20 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can share with your friends. I'll see you next time.